Good morning, my name is Julie Huertas. I'm going to talk about Zhangye Danxia Geological Park. Zhangye Danxia Geological Park is located in Gansu, province, China. It is a mountain of similar colors to the rainbow, among which are green, yellow, blue, gray, orange, and red. They say it is the result of red sandstone and other rocks undergoing metamorphic process over millions of years. Shanghai Daxia consists of 300 square kilometers. It started about 6 millions of years ago. It was formed by mineral deposit of diverse pigmentation in the rock layer, resulting from the interaction of rainwater and groundwater and oxygen interacting with lead and other elements in the process. The earth rippled and become mountains. In 2009, the park was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO, and it is highly by visited area. So China has invest in tourism service. Mm, the visitors will be to arrive by bus, by taxi, or by hiring a tour. The park has series of wooden viewpoints and access roads. The strays to it cost 40 yuan plus 20 yuan for the buses that they cruise through the park all day. They stop on three viewpoints that allow you to enjoy the landscape, especially in the evening sun. You should be worn good even during the summer of the morning and the night. The temperature drops quickly in those hours. Glasses or scarf will help protect you against the storm. Dry and dusty wind. You should also wear a hat, sunscreen, and comfortable shoes to walk as it is a sandy soil. In addition to carrying water because there are no store in the most remote areas of the place. And the best time of visit this park is in summer days. It's either at sunrise of sunset. It is in those moments when the resplendent colors of the mountain can be better appreciated, especially for in June to September, where the sun rises at 6 in the morning and sets at the 8 at night. You will be amazed by the beautiful of this place, which you shouldn't miss for no reason. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.